So the first thing is priming your face. So I'm using an aloe vera gel as a primer because since I have a lot of pores and combination skin, so I need a little bit of hydration plus the blurring effect for applying my sunscreen and now the second step is using a concealer, and I'm using the Fit Me concealer from the house of Maybelline. So I'm going to apply my concealer in the shape of an inverted triangle under my eyes. And I'm not going to use a lot of concealer, just a little bit, so that our dark under eyes gets concealed. And also you can use it in the areas where you have a zit or a little depigmentation, like around your mouth, like I'm applying it. And then I'm just going to dab everything with my fingers because doing makeup under 10 minutes you don't have the time of using tools or brushes. So I'm just going to dab it with my so after that I'm using my sunscreen because I'm not going for any BB cream or foundation routine. I'm just going to use this Morning Nectar Biotique sunscreen. I'm going to set my face makeup, whatever I've done till now, with a compact, and this is the Maybelline New York White Super Fresh Compact in the shade Coral. I'm using the Lakme Eyeconic Kajal on my upper lashes as well as my lower. After that, I am going for a mascara. Your makeup is incomplete without a good mascara, and I don't know the brand, but I'm just using genuine amount of mascara on my both on my lower and upper eyelashes. Now I'm using Miss Claire Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and I'm going to just fill my brows as well as groom it because it has this really nice grooming applicator. Final step is using a lipstick, and I'm using the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 47. I've been using this forever since I joined my college days. Tutorial. I hope you liked how this makeup turned out on my face, and I hope you will you do this makeup by your own self, and I'm damn sure it will end within 10 minutes. I mean, it just has few steps really. It has no foundation or concealer, all of that crap. So I hope you liked it, and subscribe because I've just started and I really want you guys to be a part of my family, so please subscribe. Till then, bye bye.